Hey, it's Trevor here. Hope you're very, very well. So, quick training video for you today, just to give you a little bit more of an idea about how this whole business works. You know, the business of making money online, the way that I've been doing it since 2017 now. And just a quick update on me, if you don't know, my name's Trevor. I'm from the UK, and I started doing this in 2017 when I was at my wit's end. I didn't know what to do. Money was a major issue for me. I was in a lot of debt, and I just needed to do something quickly that would bring in a lot of money quickly. You know? And it turns out that, I don't know, internet marketing as a broad term is what worked for me. So I'd seen people making money online, and I really wanted to be able to do what they were doing. They would talk about $10,000 per month as the figure that they were making. And a lot of the people that I asked back then are still in this business today. They're making a lot more than $10,000 per month now, let me tell you that. But $10,000 per month is very, very achievable in this business. And you've just got to follow a very simple process. So what I thought I'd do today is give you a very simple process so that if you wanted to give this a go, you could, and anyone can give this a go. All right, I mean that, you really can. So I'm going to go through a bit of training, show you what you've got to do, and then I'm going to tell you also during that training about a couple of options that you could make it easier for you. And yes, they're paid for options because they're my solutions for you. All right, so I've just put together a really basic little doc here, how to make money online. All right, YouTube videos of upcoming launches offering bonuses. All right, so I've got bonuses available in Done For You Prodigy. You could pick that up and you could get bonuses there. And you also get Done For You Prodigy and Done For You Prodigy, the first upgrade, for free if you join the 100K Alliance. If you join the 100K Alliance, and everything that I'm going to show you today is covered in a lot more detail, and we've got specific systems in there that work without you doing any work at all. But for today's video, this is what we're going to do. So first of all, we're going to find our offer. Now, that is very, very simple. You just want to head over to a site called muncheye.com, and this is where everything that's been launched is listed. We all do this, and that's whether it's launching on JVZoo or Warrior Plus or some of the other platforms. You can see the ClickBank here. So you've got the little logos down the side to show you. As you can see, Warrior Plus has got the most launches, but that doesn't necessarily mean that's the only ones that you're going to do. What would be a really good idea is to look for software. So we can see VidSnap is going to be software. And you may be thinking, well, okay, Trev, why would I want to look for software? The reason is because software launches, if they're a proper software launch, they can be very big. And if they're very big, what that means is that all the super affiliates with great big email lists will be blasting out their lists, right? They're blasting out the list. Now, here's a little secret for you that not a lot of people know. Most of those super affiliates cannot be bothered to put together a proper promotion with bonuses. So all you need to do is show up with bonuses, and all of a sudden you are ahead of the super affiliate. That's why this is so easy. So with a software launch, for example, you get a lot of traffic. You'll then find that all the people that have been emailed will look at that software and they think, oh, it looks really good. I'm probably going to get that. And they think, well, I could spend my $17 on that piece of software and just get the software, or I could go and have a search and see if anybody is offering some bonuses. So what they tend to do is, well, that for a start, they'll go onto Google maybe, but they'll realize with the results that they get, there's not much on there. So then they'll trip over onto YouTube. And on YouTube, they'll put in the product name review and they'll see the reviews coming up. Now, this is where you can jump ahead of everybody else, because if you get your video up there and you get some traction to it, you get some eyes on it, you get some comments on it, you get some likes, etc., then there's every chance that you're going to be appearing in those results and you're going to suck up some of that traffic. And if you're offering bonuses, you're going to win. All right, that's how I started in this business, by offering bonuses. It made a massive difference and I've done it ever since. All right, so that's how you're going to do it. So we come over to Muncheye and we can see, for example, we look at VidSnap, let's open that up in a new tab and just see what we got. The first page you come through onto Munchar is going to give you a little bit of an overview of it, so we can see that it's launching on the 17th, which is today as I do this, at 10 o'clock EDT. The front end is $17 with a 50% commission. And here we have a link to the JV page. So we click on the link to the JV page. And now we've got plenty of information here. So we've got, let's see, that's an interesting JV page. Yep, this looks good. So that shows you the funnel there, so you can see what kind of money you can make. Front end 17, followed by 35, 37, 77, and a $29 downsell. It's actually not a very big funnel, and if it looks like that is it. So although this is, this is great for you to try out, you're not going to make the most money out of this funnel because you've only got 3 OTOs. One of them has a downsell, and the OTOs themselves are not really worth a lot of money. So personally, I would look at this and think, well, if I'm going to put a lot of effort into this, I might not go for it. But if it looks like a really good product and it's going to get a lot of traction, then maybe that could make a difference. Now, if we come back over to the left-hand side here, we have what are called the big launches. So these are going to get a lot of traffic. Now, ordinarily, if you were starting out, I wouldn't say to you to go and look for big launches, because if you're looking for a big launch, you're not going to get review access, etc. and all that. But there are ways around that. Let's take a look at Neil Napier's voice to content. I have no idea what this is, but I'm assuming that if it's voice to content, that you say something and it turns it into something. I don't know, we'll see. So we click on the JV page again. Promote the first to market app that turns your thoughts into money making marketing campaigns. We have a video here. So let's take a look at this one and see if we can see the funnel. Or first of all, what is it? So it's an AI-powered platform designed for converting voice recordings into marketable content. All right, so I guess it just literally does that. It turns it in, it's like voice to text rather than text to speech. So the 50 sub accounts, yeah, all right, record audio, blah, blah, blah. Looks good, looks professional, looks great. I want to see the funnel. I want to know what can we make with this. Are they going to show us the funnel? Yeah, here we go. All right, so 37, 47, 97, 197, 67, 37, much, much better. Can you see why? Because when someone comes in at the front end, there's every chance that they're going to take an upsell, right? If the first one they take at $47, you're already doing okay. If they then take any of those higher ones, then, it's ka-ching, you've rung the bell, you see that come through and you're like, yes, let's have it. All right, so this definitely looks like a good one. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, well, how can I do a review of this if I can't get review access? And to be honest with you, you're unlikely to get review access if you've never done any sales before or you've not done a lot. So let's take a look at what we've got here. For a start, we've got the JV doc. I'm going to open that up in a new tab and see what we have here. And what I tend to do is I will go Control F and review. All right, so it says quick links review access, and it does have review access. So there you go. So straight away you can log in and you can demo this with review access and do a full review. That is really, really powerful, because what that means is that if you want to, you can do a full review of this. Literally what I would recommend is how I started out. If you are happy with getting your face on camera and your voice, just like I am now, and I'm using something called ScreenPal, it used to be called Screencast-O-Matic, very cheap, very, very effective. I've used it every day since 2017. Then all you need to do is a walkthrough of the members area. Get familiar with it yourself, test it out. If you can test it and get some results, then all you literally need to do is go in there and you show how it works. It's a brilliant way to sell. So you say, well, I'm in the members area here now. I'm not going to put the product to the test. Let's put in some speech or whatever it is, and whatever this product does, and show them the end result. Now, at this point, you might also want to think to yourself, okay, is there some way that they could use this product that would be better than the way the vendor themselves are promoting it? Is there a different angle? I've done that in the past. You might think to yourself, well, actually, this would be really good for local businesses that want to do this or that. So anything like that would be great. But more importantly, what you're going to do here is introduce them to the product, show them the product, give them that demo. The demo is going to be really, really good if you do that, because not everyone's going to do a demo, and offer them those bonuses. All right. Now, in order to create your video, the easiest way to do it is just to take Google Slides and copy and paste bits and pieces off the sales page to create slides to read through. And I've shown you this before, but I'll give you a quick demonstration right now for you as well. Okay, so if you don't have a Google account, just get a Google account. It's free and it gets you Gmail, gets you a Drive, gets you slides, gets you docs. Can't recommend it enough. I use it all the time. And then just create an untitled slide presentation. Let me just undo this if I can. I've just deleted these two. So this is how it looks to begin with. I, for whatever reason, just like to delete these out because I like to put my own text boxes in. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the sales page. So from here, if we go to the doc, look for the sales page, demo and sales video. Okay, find sales page, there we go. That was hidden, wasn't it? Right, so this is a sales page. This is where we can get loads of content for our presentation. Now, we can take the headline right from this. For example, we go Windows, Shift and S, and then we just literally drag this like that. Might as well take the whole bit. Make sure that's kind of centered. We go over to our presentation and we go Control V to drop that in. Straight away, you've got your first slide. You can read this, so you can say, for the first time ever, turn your thoughts into marketing content that generates traffic, leads, and sales. One-click solution to turn ideas into in your head into money-making campaigns. Only your voice is needed to empower your business with top-quality AI-generated content. No expertise required, no hefty price tags attached. Now, you can read that and you can say, you know, my name is John, Betty, Fred, Mary, whatever your name is, or a different name if you don't want to. And I would like to introduce you to Voice to Content. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the members area. I'm also going to offer you some incredible bonuses that will be absolutely free of charge if you pick this up through my link. And it's as simple as that. All we're then going to do is going to come back to the sales page, and we're going to look for other ways that we can turn these into slides. So, for example, we could even just take this. This is the video. We could take that. So that was Windows, Shift and S. I'm not sure what it is on a Mac. You can look that up. And then we right click over here. We go duplicate slide. We delete that image out and we paste that one in. All right. So that then gives us some more text to read. We can say transform thoughts into text, enhance voice to content, establishes you as an authority. And you just read through that. Okay. So that's how you get content. But also you're going to look down. You're going to look for other stuff that looks kind of nice. All right. So for example, this could be a slide. Do the same again. Come over and take this. Come over here, right click, duplicate slide, delete the last image, Control V, paste it in, we've got another slide. That's the easiest way to create a presentation. The other thing about a presentation is that when you put this in, you can add text boxes, you can put your own words in there, and that's going to make sure that you don't forget anything. So you're recording and you're going through, you're reading those, and the next slide might say, now let's go and take a look inside the members area. You actually write that on a slide so that when you get to it, you pause the video, you go to the members area and you show them that. You then come back to the slides and the next one might say bonuses. And then the next slide will say bonus number 1, you describe that. Bonus number 2, you describe that, etc., etc. And then at the end of it, you just close with a call to action, which basically says, look, you know, in my opinion, this is a fantastic piece of software. The reason that I'm recommending this is because, as you can see, there are services that you can offer straight away to make money from this, and therefore it's, you know, great value for money. It's going to make you money. You just tell them about the benefits and all that kind of stuff. Remind them about the bonuses. Tell them you have strictly limited bonuses, maybe just 10 copies for the first people that buy, and to click the link below your video. All right, it's pretty much as simple as that. It really is. Now, the other thing that you can do, if you don't want to get your face on camera and your voice on camera, if we go over to this JV doc again, you will see up here that it says demo and sales video. So we're going to click on that. Here is a sales video, here is a demo video. So it's really, really easy stuff. So what you could do is you could just record an intro to that and just say, this is my voice to content review, and I'm going to hand over now so you can watch a demo of the actual product. And then at the end of that, you can just say, and now let's take a look at the sales video. And you can literally just do that. So you don't do hardly anything at all. Your part of it is just a few seconds. That's another way you can do it. Or you can just ignore all of that, and you can just put that demo video in and just edit a few things around it to make it unique. Now, if you want to know how to do all of this and how to do it on autopilot so that you don't have to do any work at all, it's all done for you, kind of set and forget, set it up and then just let the money come in, then you need to join the 100K Alliance. And you'll find a link below this video to the 100K Alliance. And this is our flagship program, coaching program and system that involves a couple of things. Now, first of all, if you join 100K Alliance, it's going to give you Done For You Prodigy and Done For You Prodigy OTO 1. What that gives you is a ton of bonuses that you can use when you're putting together any videos like this. So you've got much more chance of selling because of those bonuses that you're offering, and they're all going to be given to you for free inside the 100K Alliance, because we're giving you our latest product launch, Done For You Prodigy, and the first upgrade inside the members area of 100K Alliance. So what is 100K Alliance? Well, it's our latest program. As I said, it's our flagship coaching program. And in a nutshell, Fergal Downs, who was one of my first mentors, is now a very good friend of mine and my partner in this, along with Max. He has worked on a system that enables him to cash in on a daily basis with affiliate commissions, promoting all those products that you saw on that Muncheye page there without doing any of the work. It really is an insane system. It works incredibly well. Not only that, but it also links out to our high ticket solution, which enables you to earn up to $500 and more per visitor that comes in. Now, our members have been crushing it with this. We've got multiple members making hundreds and hundreds of dollars in commissions in a single time. They're going to sleep, they're waking up with $300, $400, $500, $600 in their account. It absolutely works. We're super, super proud of it. And right now, it's at the lowest price that it's ever going to be. So if you'd like full training on the system that enables you to do all of this and a lot more, plus get the high ticket sales and let us take you from 0 to 10K plus per month, then go ahead, click on the button below this video and join me. You will not be disappointed, I'm telling you that. We have a private Facebook group for support. The three of us are in there, myself, Fergal and Max, on a daily basis, helping people and guiding them through. And I'm always reporting on new sales, new figures, new commissions that people have made. In fact, Brian, my good friend Brian, just made another $300 and odd commissions yesterday, which is the second one that he's made in a few days. And it's just really, really heartwarming to see. It's amazing. And if you don't get in soon, the price is going to go up. So take what I've taught you in this training here, run with that, or let us do it all for you with the 100K Alliance. If you've got any questions, please do let me know. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please say hello in the comments below. Ask questions in the comments below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. But most importantly, come and join us at the 100K Alliance and let us take you to 10K per month and more. I'll speak to you soon. All the best.